It's going already. Oh,
Danny.
look at
There.
that. Here. You're feeding, what's the name of this?
You're actually
Parrot?
they've settled down.
Oh, that's so cute. Ayun pa, isa. Ay!
Kakatuyan.
Eh, kakatuyan.
Kakatu. Say, kumusta ka? Hello.
Sana dalawang kamay, Dani.
Ito pa.
Ito. Ayan, dalawang kamay. Ayan.
Ala.
Pwede palang mag-train ng ibon na.
Pag-bend
Ibig
ka
mo
lang
ng
equal
konti.
Mag-bend mo. Hey, baby.
Ayan.
Here you go. Come on.
Dumugin ka nila.
Bakit yung kamay ko?
Ay naman hindi ko kayanin itong mga to.
Wow. Look at that. There's two parrots up there.
So may nakahalo oh. Ha?
Ayan, sa
Ayan.
taas mo.
Sa taas oh, sa taas mo. Oh, meron na naman sa ulo mo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ayan, dalawa na, oh.
Oh my goodness, look at
Naku, ang ganda.
that.
Wow, what an experience.
Move your feet around a bit for the cockatoos, okay? Just kick your feet out a bit. Okay, maybe just lift your arms.
It's okay.
Look at me. Here.
Look. They're so friendly.
Oh, she was trying to
I'm just scared. Tatabi lang ako.
Yeah.
Tatabi lang ako sa kanila. Don't come up, okay?
Lagyan mo ng isa sa kamay mo. Oh.
Hi. You wanna eat? Oh. That's so
See?
cute. You want more? Where's the other one?
Ganda yung nasa ulo.
Oo nga.
Ayaw yata
There.
nila yung maasim.
Ayaw nila.
Ito.
Yeah, no, those cockies, a couple of them are a bit aggro.
want to get it off me now, Mom.
Look.
Wow, look at that. Oh, we're gonna send this to the kids.
Yeah, I'll send it. Send na natin now.
Brian and Lucas will be very happy. Oh, Lolo has
Yeah.
two. Uy. I'm scared, but I want to see them.
Malapit.
Oh, hi. How are you guys? You say hi to them.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. Hindi na siya takot. He's not scared anymore.
Sabi mo, oh. Tinan mo yun.
Ito. Ang bigat.
Mabig.
Kumakain siya eh. Kumukuha siya ng pagkain eh.
Ay!
Look, most of the cockies are okay, but some of them are white.
I'm scared. Hello, buddy.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh.
You're so cute. And Lolo is enjoying.
Some of them are fine.
Uh-huh.
Ang galing. They're so friendly. Hi, you guys. Are enjoying?
Lagyan mo kasi yan para ma-enjoy niya.
Now they're
He got bitten, so
not
he's
scared
that thrilled.
anymore. Oh, gusto ko yung maliit lang. Pengi.
Makali.
Kasi na, lumayas na. Busog na.
Diyan ka, lumapit ka sa dun. Sa mga punong mo.
Lumapit ka sa may puno.
Yeah.
Oh, may umiihi.
Kaya naman, you got one.
Dad,
Baka bigla. Here, buddy. Here, buddy. Come. Ay, ayaw.
I've had too many bites.
Ayun.
This is
Please,
this
you
is
can do
fun.
that.
Takot yung bata.
Jordan, I'm not
Dani, maganda eh, oh.
Ito, left and right eh.
Yeah.
Maamo. Oh, here. Ay, tinapon.
Yeah.
Ayaw na umalis.
Say hi.
Yeah, you,
Ilagay mo. ano ka ng konti tapos yung isang kamay mo, anin ka nila. Ay, naumalis na.
Ay, 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 ay. They're heavy.
Come on. Ay, ayaw nilang...
Ayaw? They don't like it?
Not like the seagull.
Ay, nakabukas yung ating ano. Di ba?
Namumula yung braso ko. May mga kuko.
Oh. Ayun oh, kasi lalaki oh. That's a cute.
Mabuti na ano natin to.
Yeah,
Ito yung mga nagsasalita.
palis na tayo eh.
Sige, sige, baba. Come on. Oh my God. Why are you biting me? I don't have any more food. Hi, buddy. How are you?
Oh, that's a nice thing.
Oh, maybe I step on the food. Hello, Lolo. Ayan.
Look.
I want in the head.
Yay! 2x2.
You don't have anything to feed them, that's why.
Don't bite my skin.
Na-enjoy ni Kuya. Ice! Oh.
Look. Look again. Come on, let's go to the car.
We're gonna take you home.
Iwi mo na.
We're gonna take you home.
go?
You wanna come to Maryland? Huh?
Kasi kada...
Oh,
Ay, teka, kukunin ko ng ano.
sige.
Ayan.
We're gonna take you home. How's that?
Ang ganda oh. Colorful.
Lolo. Bigyan mo ng pagkain. Sige, hawakan mo. Iba naman ang ano ko.
Ayaw.
including me.
Ayaw yun.
Kukunin ko picture.
Oh, not
O, Dad.
Ay,
Huwag lang sanang tatae.
if they poop on you. Cute.
Okay.
Okay na?